What's up, guys? Hey guys, welcome to my birthday special. Today we're gonna make a cake. So we already have our pre-made mix from scratch. And let's get started. Okay, first we need to preheat our oven to 350 degrees.
So, since it's my friend Sydney's birthday, I had her and a couple friends be in the video. They're Thyra and Michael. Both of them, they were pretty helpful, so was Sydney. I decided to stay back and do the camera work, except for one part, you'll see later on. Here is cake mix and other stuff. It's basically just cake. Go.
Yummy. Okay.
It's eggy.
Then you dump it in. And you mix it.
Anything else that goes in there?
Just tender love and care.
It's blood, sweat, and tears.
Wet spit.
And now, you have to say something else that goes in there.
What goes in there, Michael?
Got him.
It's a neck. Get neck nose below the waist.
Beautiful.
Don't slam the oven, please.
I'll try not to. Just kidding, I won't.
You push it in more. I didn't want to show you the finished product because it's a surprise. Maybe one day.